Everything you just saw, my landing page, my brand kit, my title cards, my thumbnail, and my entire YouTube identity, Claude Design built all of it. This just took me one evening, and I can show you how exactly you can do it too. So first, what is Claude Design? It is launched in April 26 as part of Anthropic Labs. Think of this as a visual workspace inside Claude where you describe what you want to build and it builds it. Not an image, not a screenshot, but an actual interactive clickable design. You can create prototypes, banners, slide decks, one pagers, and more all through conversation. No design skills needed. One important thing, Claude Design works only on browser. It is not available on mobile. So you need to be on your desktop or laptop to access this. Now, who all can access Claude Design? It is not available on the free plan. You would at least need a paid subscription. I am on Pro, which costs around 2000 rupees per month in India, but the usage limit is very small. Some people run out in as little as 5 prompts. However, if you need more, you can always subscribe to a Max 5x plan, which is around 12.5K per month. One more important thing is that Claude Design usage limit doesn't eat into your Claude's regular chat usage at all. The Claude Design chat and the regular Claude chat are mutually independent. Claude Design resets once every week. When you open Claude Design, let me quickly orient you to what you're looking at. On the left side, this is your project panel. You will see all project types you can create. There is prototype, slide deck, from template, and other. Each one is built for a different purpose. Presentations, prototypes, landing pages, you name it. In the center, this is your canvas. When you first open it, Claude Design gives you examples of what's really been built. So you're not starting completely blind. You can scroll through these examples to get inspired. And then, as you start creating on your own, designs appear right there. And now, when you select the prototype, which is the main one, Claude asks you to choose between two modes. One, wireframe, rough, fast, great for exploring ideas quickly. Think of it like a blueprint. And the next one is high fidelity. Polished, uses your brand assets, gives you something that looks finished and professional. Simple rule. Wireframe to explore, high fidelity when you're ready to make it real. Okay, now, so let me show you exactly what I did. I opened Cloud Design, created a new project, selected high fidelity, and typed this prompt. Now we give it some time to work its magic. Claude generates a couple of options and even creates a companion profile picture in the same style, which is really a nice touch. I also gave a refinement prompt to just check how it captures the details and how it refines based on the prompt. And here's what I love about this. I can refine it in plain language. I just typed make the background darker and make the gold more prominent, and it just does it. No layers, no Figma, no design knowledge needed. The whole thing is just a conversation. Now it's regenerated based on my feedback. But here is what most people miss. Apart from prompting in the chat, there are three options at the top center of the screen. First is comment to give feedback directly on the design. Second is edit, where you can modify colors and fonts manually. And third, there is draw, which is really fun. I actually drew an asterisk and Claude tried to update the design to match it. And if you want to see the final version of this, just look at the top right corner of my screen where I'm using that as a watermark. And finally, when you're happy with your output, each and every picture or image is downloadable and you can export everything with that one click. Okay, honest take time. I don't like hype and I don't even want to waste your time. But what genuinely surprised me is the quality of output for a person like me who has absolutely zero designer skills is remarkable. It even wrote my bio and actually sounded like me, which is genuinely impressive. What still needs work is the usage limit. It is quite restrictive. I ran out faster than I expected. And each generation takes few minutes, so patience helps. My honest advice, Cloud Design is not a replacement for designers if you're building something very complex. But for working professionals like me who need something that looks good quickly without a budget, this is a very good option. Human taste still matters. You need to refine it, guide it, and know when something looks right. So AI is always better when there is human in loop. And this is what Claude Design has built for my entire YouTube channel. The landing page, it even captured my intent to start this channel. And after the landing page, there is the banner, the title cards, the thumbnails, the end cards, and even my brand mark. I'm not a designer, but this is my brand now, and it took me just one evening. Now I have templates created for my social posts like Instagram and LinkedIn, and I have YouTube related thumbnails and banners, and it gave me my style of colors, buttons, and everything, whatnot. So if you've been putting off starting something because you thought you needed design skills, you don't anymore. Try Claude Design, start with something small and see where it leads you. If this was useful, follow AI with Kavya. I cover practical Claude and AI tips every week for working professionals. No hype, just the things that actually work. See you in the next one.